Your facility should be easy to clean and maintain. Here are some tips. Use light colors for floors, walls, and ceilings whenever possible. This allows contamination on these surfaces to be easily spotted and immediately resolved. Also use plenty of lighting. A well-lit facility improves productivity, security, safety, and sanitation, and employee morale. Maintaining floor perimeters is an important element for organization and cleaning needs. For storage areas, provide an 18-inch perimeter between rows of stored material and also between stored material and the wall. This will allow room for inspections, cleaning, maintenance, as well as for placement of pest control devices. If adequate space is not available, racks can be installed right against the wall to keep items above the floor and still allow access for cleaning underneath. Ceilings pose a great risk for contamination. Ceilings are full of pipes, conduit, ductwork. These are not easy to clean or maintain. Also, ceiling heights are usually an issue because they are higher and harder to reach. For these reasons, a ceiling is a likely place for the accumulation of dust, condensation, bacteria, mold, or pests. Contamination from overhead is a real risk. Proper design can help to mitigate those issues. Part of that design is the careful selection and installation of the right ceiling solution, which we will discuss more in another video. But have a clear plan for the easy cleaning and maintenance of your ceiling. Windows are another important consideration as part of your facility's design. However, they are often overlooked during the design process. Windows can create natural light to brighten the workplace, but they also present certain risks with facility hygiene and product quality assurance. Windows allow passage for birds, insects, dirt, bacteria, and other airborne contaminants. Even if windows have screens installed to prevent pest entry, these screens will not prevent dirt, bacteria, and mold from still entering the building. Also, some windows, even if sealed shut, are temperature sensitive and form condensation when the temperature fluctuates. Mold growth is likely to occur around these types of windows. Any kind of window should be added to the master cleaning schedule and also monitored according to the guidelines of your glass, brittle, plastics, and ceramics monitoring program. For rooms that will employ a wet sanitation process, ensure that drains are located in appropriate places. Ensure that ventilation can handle the moisture levels. Ensure that building materials are selected that suit the cleaning method. Cleaning involves 4 factors: concentration of chemicals, temperature, mechanical force, and time. These factors should influence the building materials that you choose. Install utensil sinks of sufficient size to submerge the parts or utensils that are being cleaned. Locate the sinks in convenient places for cleaning parts, utensils, and equipment. Locate racks nearby to the sinks for safe and sanitary drying. As you can see, there are a lot of components to keep in mind when thinking about how you will keep your facility easy to maintain and easy to clean. Here we have named only a few considerations. You will need to document all of your cleaning and sanitation plans and keep a record each time they are completed. The rest of the videos will provide additional information about opportunities for easier and better cleaning and sanitation.